friends, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to talk about the difference between the letters S and TH. Let's give it a try. S, S, S. Sick, thick, pass, path, sank, thank. Sin, thin, mass, math, mouse, mouth. Now, let's try a tongue twister. This is extra challenging. Let's give it a try. I can think of 6 thin things, but I can't think of 6 thick things. I can think of 6 thin things, but I can't think of 6 thick things. Thanks for watching English Live. Please hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English pronunciation training. See you again next time.